Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salsabil, and I scored 183 marks out of 210 in National MDCAT 2021. I prefer TopGrade for the preparation because I also prepared my MDCAT from the TopGrade. It's the best website on the Google, and it helped me a lot in MCAT preparation. The question bank is organized in a simple way, and we can find easily the questions. Moreover, the teachers here are also best teachers of the Pakistan, and they helped me a lot in the MDCAT preparation. And the revision notes helped me in the revision of my course in the last days. And the other thing that TopGrade provided me is the practice questions provided by the PMC. They provided us the practice question in the topic wise series so that we can easily prepare every topic in view of PMC syllabus. Thank you, TopGrade. Thank you very much. Because of TopGrade, I am here, and I prefer other students to buy TopGrade. It's a best website. Thank you, TopGrade.